Hi guys, once again, welcome back to my channel. This is Coach Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jake TV, ang daddy ng bayan. And for today's video, this is all about a Live Good English presentations. Yes, you have it right. If you have some prospects that need English presentations about a Live Good, so you can use this video presentation. So again, please don't forget if you're going to share in when sharing this video, please don't forget to send your landing page to the persons that you're going to share this video. So ayan, nag-i-English ako no. So for those Filipino, sa lahat ng mga Filipino ano natin, partners, pag sinare niyo po tong video na to, wala po itong sarili kong link. It's gonna be kahit sino pwedeng gumamit po nito. Ilagay niyo lang po yung inyong landing page para after na mapanood po ito ng iyong prospects, yung pinadalahan niyo po ng inyong ng video na to, automatically they can pre-enroll or they can lock in your landing page. So guys, let's dive into this video para po maintindihan po ng inyong mga Ingleserong prospects ang about sa Live Good business po natin. So here you go. Actually, this video presentations, the product, this is hosted by our Grand Upline, a Diamond Upline, Coach Jesse Garcia. All right, let's go.
Is Livegood, okay? And it's based in the US and they're focused, their industry is basically the wellness industry, right? That's a very popular industry, $1 trillion industry. And thank God that this company has decided to promote supplements or products because we definitely, have been wanting to do something with real products, consumable products that we can actually consume and touch and promote, right? So our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And that's what I really like about this company is that the products are very affordable. But don't get me wrong, these products, just because they're affordable, doesn't mean they're low quality. No, they are very high quality products. A lot of these products are USDA organic certified. They got a lot of these products are gluten free, vegan, and then some of these are mostly. You can even see in the website the analysis of each product that was checked by different laboratories. The products are made in the USA. They're approved by the Good Manufacturing Practice here in the United States, a very important agency that checks for standards of the products and the quality. And like I said, they're lab tested for purity and potency. You can check every single product and the results of these tests. They're all uploaded in our website. So it's amazing. It's amazing stuff here. These are great products. We have 15 plus life-changing products, products for men, women. We have nutrition, products for the skincare, even anti-aging, energy, weight management, whatever you need. We have a lot of products, and we're gonna have more. This is not the only. We're gonna have more products for sure. So they come from the ingredients come from the purest, natural, most pristine locations on the planet. The world-class manufacturing facility is nothing like I've ever seen. Okay, so these are very cool things. Maybe you're asking why buy from us. Very affordable. Like I said, high quality products. You're going to see some prices you're not going to believe because, like I said, other companies, other multi-level marketing companies, direct sales companies, their products are very expensive, right? So we're ready to ship internationally, and our product results are life changing. And you can become a consumer or a member of Livegood. These are the two ways to order products. So literally, just the prices for a consumer are low, but the prices for members are even lower. So you decide if you want to just be a consumer and just buy retail price, but you can also decide to be a member of Livegood and have wholesale prices. It's like joining a club with wholesale prices. Okay, that's how it is. And people that do decide to join as members, they save up to 75% compared to other companies out there that sell products that are very expensive. Okay. So here's an example. Here's our Super Greens on the left, very popular product. Super Greens is, one of our most popular products, helps you with many ways for your health. And our price for members is only $18. $18. Isn't that unbelievable. Like all other companies, you find this similar product with similar ingredients for $80, 100 or more. So you're saving over 75% when you are using and ordering our products as members of Livegood, okay? And here's another example of our prices. Here's our multivitamin for men. Here's our multivitamin for women. These products, these are just examples, okay? These are products where you can see here it says retail price and member price, right? So look at the difference. $17.95 for retail price, $9.95 for member price. There's a huge difference. So, you know, that's why a lot of people are joining Livegood as members so they can get the wholesale price and not pay the retail price. But if you just want to be a consumer and not be a Livegood member, that's okay. Because look, the price is still very, very low. For high quality products like this, you don't see this type of price in other companies. So that's definitely one thing that a lot of people are looking into Livegood every single day and joining Livegood every single day. Okay, that's a huge deal. So how do you become a member of Livegood? You register with your sponsors link. You're going to pay $9.95 to become a Livegood member. That's amazing. A price so low that this is doable and affordable for the masses all over the world. Under $10 to be a Livegood member. And you just stay active as a member every month by paying this amount. That's it. Every month under $10. That's pretty amazing. So Livegood affiliates are is another option that you can choose to become and participate with Livegood, not just as members. So if you decide to be an affiliate, someone that wants to participate and earn an extra income by sharing Livegood with others. So we definitely have an opportunity for you to earn with the most exciting compensation plan so far that I've ever seen. So the benefits as an affiliate is that you're going to get your business center, you're going to get 3 replicated websites. One of those websites is a marketing system with autoresponder emails sent out to your prospects on autopilot. That's pretty cool that you get that as an affiliate. You get your marketing tools, and there's going to be online and offline marketing education and live training from industry leaders. Okay, so these are a lot of benefits that you're going to be getting and more if you decide and when you decide to become an affiliate member. So how do you become an affiliate member? You're going to register with your sponsors link and you're going to pay $40 one time. This is for your business center. This does not include any supplement products, okay? So you're paying a one-time $40 and that's it. You're not paying this every year. It's a one-time $40 for life. And then you're also paying the $9.95, which is for the membership or the wholesale discount prices, right? So in total, you're going to pay $49.95. That's what you pay the first month to become an affiliate member. And then after that, every month, you're just paying the $9.95 every month. And that's to maintain active, okay? But let's talk about how you can earn some income with Livegood. We got 6 ways to earn. So let's jump right into the first one. It's called Weekly Fast Start Bonus. It's a 50% fast start bonus you get, and it's fast. You get it fast. As soon as you find someone that joins you and registers, you get it fast. The very next week, 50% fast start bonus. So if they're paying the $49.95, you're gonna get $25. $25 for every member that you refer, every direct. And if that's not enough, look at this. They're also paying 10%, 5%, 3%, 2%, and 1% all the way to level 10 on different levels from the basically from the referrals of your referrals and their referrals, depending on the rank that you're in, will determine how many levels more you will earn every time someone joins, even if you didn't bring them. That's pretty cool. So in other words, every direct you invite is going to be on level 1, and you're always going to get 50%, no matter what rank you're in. You're always going to get 50% faster bonus from your directs. If one of your directs or all your directs bring their directs, those are going to be on your level 2, and you're getting 10% no matter what rank you're in from bronze and up. And then when these directs on level 2 invite their directs, they are going to be on level 3. And when they invite their directs, those people are going to be on level 4. So you're going to earn 5% no matter what rank you're in, starting from silver and up, from every direct that's joining and paying the $49.95. This is a fast start bonus, okay, a one-time payment. And then the same thing happens here 3% on level 5, 2% level 6, 2% level 7, 1% from 8 through 10. And this is obviously when, you know, you got to have higher ranks, okay? So you can be earning every single week when your team is recruiting. As you grow in the ranks, you can be earning every single week. You know, it just and this could be very lucrative just from the fast start bonus. Just from the fast start bonus, it's pretty cool. Now we also have a matrix. We have a matrix here. It's a 2 by 15 force matrix, okay? So we earn commissions from the matrix of all members that are placed in this matrix, okay? So let's look at the table here, how that works. So again, it's 15 levels, okay? It's a 2 by 15, so there's 15 levels. And when you don't have a rank, if you don't have any rank, you're just started, you can earn all the way to level 12, okay? And if you have members in every single level and you get a full, let's say you fill up your matrix all the way to level 12, the max earnings without a rank is $2,047. Okay, so in other words, you can earn $2,047 every month without having any ranks. That's if every level is full with members. Okay, now, but when you finally get to bronze or silver, which is what we definitely recommend, you hurry up and get to bronze or silver, is now you open up level 13. And if you have a matrix filled up with members all the way to level 13, instead of earning 2,047, now you're going to be able to earn $4,095. Okay. And then once you get to gold and platinum, you're earning from all the way to level 14 now instead of 13. Now in level 14 gets opened up, and every single level here, if you fill it up with members, or you know, everyone's working together and duplicating, and we fill up all the way to level 14, now it's looking like you're going to earn $8,191. Okay, and this is just the bonus for the matrix. This is a monthly residual income. Last but not least, the diamond person is going to earn all the way to level 15. And the max potential earning, if you have a full matrix 2 by 15, is $16,383.50. Maybe that's not a lot for you, but for a lot of people, it is. So if it's not a lot for you, guess what? We have other ways that you can earn. And this is what a matrix looks like. It's a 2 by 15. So on level 1 fits 2 people, level 2 fits 4, level 3 fits 8, 16, 32, 64, and it keeps going all the way. The lower you go, the more people fit in those levels. So it gets pretty amazing how this is filling up for all of us. It's pretty cool. Now let's talk about my favorite bonus. It's called the matching bonus. We earn a 50% matching bonus from every direct. So that's someone that you personally invited. They registered with your link. That's called a direct, right? And when your directs earn from the matrix, what I just showed you from the matrix, whatever they earn every month from the matrix, you will earn 50% matching bonus. So assuming, let's say, this is an example. So let's say you have a direct earning $1,000 every month from matrix. You're going to earn $500 from what they're, because it's a 50% matching bonus of that. So the more directs you have, the more matching bonuses you're going to have, right? How many directs do you want? That's the question here. And this is unlimited matching bonuses because you can recruit or invite as many people as you want, and as many people as you would like to have, as many directs as you want. That's why it's unlimited. And it doesn't matter where they are in the matrix. Doesn't matter where they get placed in the matrix, because this has to do with your directs. Whatever they are earning, the system knows where your directs are. So it doesn't matter where they are in the matrix. As long as they're your directs, if they're earning commissions from the matrix, you're going to get the 50% of what they're earning. Now, the cool thing about this is that they're also going to, you can qualify to earn different generations, different percentages from different members that are different ranks, depending on your rank. Okay, so if you are silver, you get to earn a 10% matching bonus from the first silver in your organization. He or she is the first generation, and if there's another silver below them, you're earning 10% matching bonuses from what they're earning in the matrix as well. And then when you reach gold, you can earn first, second, and third generation 5% from each member, and the silver first and second generation. And if you're platinum, you earn 5% first, second, third, and fourth generation, plus the gold first, second, and third, plus the silver first and second. And finally, diamond is able to earn 3% from anyone that's a diamond under their tree and roller tree, 3% all the way to fifth generation, each one. And plus a platinum first, second, third, fourth generation, plus the gold first, second, and third generation, plus the silver first and second generation. That is just mind blowing. The money here that you can earn with just this bonus is just out of this world. It's out of this world. You're never gonna really understand it until you see it in your back office and you're earning it. That's how you're really going to understand how powerful this is. But trust me, it's powerful. Very hard to explain sometimes. It's hard to even give an example, but it's just so powerful. This is just a powerful way to earn. The retail commissions, this is important. We do earn from sales of the products, okay? But there's sales from the products of customers, not members, okay? We do not earn commissions from the purchases that members from Livegood make, only from customers. Customers are paying the retail price, they are not members. So we earn a 50% commission of the difference between the member price and the retail price. So if a product is $22 retail price and the member price of that same product is $10, the difference is what? $12. So 50% of $12 is what? $6. That would be the commission earned. That's just an example I give, okay? But you can also earn commissions from customers from your referrals and their referrals and their referrals all the way to level 10. Depending on the rank that you're in will determine how many levels or which levels you will be able to earn percentages of commissions of products ordered by customers, not members, by customers from your referrals, not just your referrals, but from your customers' referrals and their referrals and their referrals, okay? And this can be an unlimited times. The earning is could be unlimited because this happens every time there's a customer placing an order. This is unbelievable. Just this can grow so big in the future that it's just crazy. This is just amazing, commissions. How would you like to, instead of earning 50%, how would you like to earn 100% instead of 50% commission from the products that customers are buying? You can do that with the influencer bonus. And this is not determined by the rank, it's determined by the amount of sales per month. This is the amount of sales per month. So if you're selling, there's people that can do this. If you're selling this much product every month, or this much, or this much, or this much, or this much, we're talking dollars here, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000. When someone sells this amount of money in products, retail price, you're getting an additional 10% or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50. And that's how you get the 60, 70, 80, 90, or up to 100% commissions. And remember, it's always going to be between the difference between the retail price and the member price, okay? That's always how it's gonna be. That's why we have this example here. So you can see and read in the website as well. But this is a great example that explains it, okay? It's 50% retail commissions plus the 40% influencer bonus in this example, because 25,000 was sold. The difference with the member price is 8,000. So you're multiplying the percentages with the 8,000, which is the difference. And that's how you get the total of this right here, 7.2 thousand, okay? So let's talk about another favorite. This bonus is powerful. So look at this. It says 2% of the total sales of all the memberships, meaning everyone paying the $10 a month, right? $9.95. All the sales, all the total sales of all the memberships and product sales get divided evenly between all the diamonds. That's a lot of money. If you do the math, last month there was only one diamond, and they gave him the bonus pool all of it for just one person because there was no other diamond. Well, that person got a huge bonus, okay? Huge. He didn't split it with anyone. But now there's another diamond, and he's my sponsor. His name is Brett Gurney. And the next bonus pool, most likely, the first guy who was actually his sponsor, Tim Miller, they're gonna have to split it, okay? And if there's any other diamonds, they're all gonna split this. This is gonna be crazy, okay? So now, in our company, for the first time in a long, long time, people are achieving ranks like they've never could have never done it in other companies. Okay, I am a witness of this. Okay, so let's look at the ranks. Okay, the first rank is called bronze. To get to bronze, you just have to have two directs, two people. Enroll just two people. That's very easy. The company made it very easy to be a bronze. And when you are a bronze, and you have two people, now you're earning in more levels from different bonuses. But also, if you at least get two, well, guess what? You're gonna have fast start bonus of $25 from each person. That's $50, commissions that you're gonna earn. That's your $50 that you invested to join. You're getting back your return, your investment, your initial investment. You're getting in a return here with your two, and that's good. That's good. We want everybody to be a bronze. Okay, this is one of the most important ranks to be in, to do. You gotta become bronze. Come to Livegood, join as an affiliate, and run to become bronze. You got to do it fast, and it's great. You get your money back, $50, and then you are bronze. And now you're gonna help your two become bronze as well. We're gonna show everybody how to duplicate that. This is easy, very easy. Bronze, silver, silver. You must have 10 directs that you invited personally, or in my opinion, this is the fastest way to do it. Just have 3 directs that are good people, three good members that are going to work with you. Okay, because you can have more, but just three good members in 3 different leagues. Okay, and if you help them become bronze, and you have a total of 20 members, or 20 members in your team, with just 3 bronze in 3 different leagues, with 20 plus 20 active members, you're a silver. Okay, so instead of just doing it yourself by getting 10 directs, you could do it this way. Same thing with the next rank, gold. You can either do it your own 30 directs, okay, plus 100 active members in your team, or those 3 good members you're working with, help them, find their 3, they rank up, and those 3 find their 3, they rank up, and everybody's, ranking up. So if you have 3 separate members that are silver in separate leagues, plus 100 active members, you're gold. It's not hard. It's very easy. People are doing it in weeks and months, in 1 month, in a couple weeks. Some people are doing it in 1 week after they join. Okay, so then now we got platinum, the next rank. You can do it by getting 100 directs and 500 active members in your team. Or like I said, the fastest way is to get the 3. Get your 3 and help those 3 get 3. Help those 9 get 3. Help those 27 get 3. Help those 81 help 3. I did the math already. Just help, grow in threes, and everyone's gonna rank up, and you're gonna have the 500 if you're doing the 3 by 3 by 3. Help 3. The motto now is no, don't do two help get 2, help 2 get 2. Do the 3. Get 3, help 3 get 3. All right, that's how you're gonna go fast with the ranks, and you're gonna see that this is gonna grow as fast as well. And that's how you become platinum. And last but not least, the diamond. See how the diamond doesn't even say you can do it on your own with the direct. No, you need 3. You need 3 platinum members in 3 different leagues. Okay, and the good news is they don't have to be your directs. These 3, the option of the 3, they don't have to be your directs. They could be under someone else, but as long as in different leagues. Okay, so if you have 3 separate enroller tree leagues with platinum ranked affiliates, plus a total of 2,500 active members in your team, boom, you're a diamond. And everybody wants to be a diamond. Here, let's do a little quick survey. In your chat, tell me, I want to see who wants to be a diamond. Who's going for diamond? Let me see who's going for diamond. Just put diamond in the chat. Let's see who wants to go for diamond. Nobody wants to go for diamond. I don't see anybody writing anything. We only have a few people here, but I'm waiting to see if anybody here. There we go. Black Panther, diamond. Romeo, diamond. All right, 2 people want to be diamonds. And Victor, Jericho. All right, more people want to be diamond. You guys are going for diamond? Good. All right. I'm waiting to see if anyone else says anything. All right. Lagar, Victor, Jericho. Yes. All right. See, we got people that really want to go for this. This is not hard, guys. Diamond it is. So, top 5 reasons to join. Number one, we just launched. Can you imagine joining a company when it first launches? And a company like this is so powerful. So you join now, ride the wave. We're in a tsunami wave. You want to ride the wave right now. It's a tsunami. Yeah, or do you want to join in 3 years when it's not a tsunami? It's going to be like a wave, but not a tsunami. Come on, this is the best time to join. If you're watching this and you maybe you're new, you haven't registered, or you haven't, you bet now is the time to join. It's the best time. This is the top reason to join right now. We just launched. You want to be a pioneer with us, and if you're watching the recorded version, now's the time to join. Okay. Second reason, we got high quality products, very affordable. You just saw some of the examples I showed you. You can look at more at livegood.com. Check out the products. You're going to be amazed by the prices and the quality of our products. Another reason to join, we got some awesome the marketing system. We got websites, tools, training, and more, a lot more. And another reason is the powerful pay plan I just showed you. It gets even better once you understand it more. We got other Zooms where we explain in detail how everything works. This was just a brief overview. Trust me, we're going to be explaining more and more. And then finally here, the last reason to join, in my opinion, is the CEO and the corporate team. These people are very transparent. They are very, they communicate a lot. They are showing that they care. Ben Glinsky has 20 years of experience. He's the CEO. The Ryan Goodkin, he's our director of product development. He's in charge of basically creating the products, the formulas. Lisa Goodkin, she's educating us on the products. We can even email her and ask her questions of like, what product is good for this disease or whatever. She has the training. She studied nutrition. She's certified. Nader Kazan, he's a legend, director of network marketing. This is the guy. He's a legend. He's been doing it for over 30 years. He's doing Zooms every hour, helping people. He's on it. Like if you need his help, you can even reach out to him. He's been helping me a lot. This is what these are the teams that we're working with, right? We got a lot of great things here with very good corporate team. So my last question to you is, are you an A, B, or C? A, someone that wants to just, definitely join us, be an affiliate, and is ready to run, ready to rock and roll and work with us. We're going to work as a team. We're going to show you how it's working for us and what we're doing. And it's going to be fun. You're going to have a lot of fun with us. Or you just want to be a member, you want the products, that's cool. You want to just get the discount. You're not really thinking about the business. You could do it maybe later. That's fine. We welcome that. Or you just want to be a consumer, right? There's people that don't like discounts. They just want to pay full price. We need those too. We need all three people here. So whether you're A, B, or C, we are happy that you will join us. But just choose one of these, and you're definitely going to be in good hands. So now what you want to do is, as soon as we're done with this Zoom, okay, if you're watching the live, as soon as we're done, get back with the person that invited you and let them know right away. Don't wait a day, don't wait a week, don't wait a month, because waiting is going to cost you a lot of money. It might cost you a lot of health. I don't know. I'm not sure what it'll cost you, but waiting is never a good thing. You get your questions answered and join A, B, or C. Just let them know I want to be an A, B, or C.
All right, so guys, here we go. Yan. So that's the English presentations of Livegood. Yan, you can use this video by our coach Jesse Garcia para you can cater all of the other nationalities. Kasi you know what guys, Livegood is not only here in the Philippines. Livegood is operating now, just now, in 223 countries. Imagine, we just started December of 2022, December, January, February, March, April, 4 months pa lang in the making, but we are operating in the 223 countries worldwide. So guys, kung para hindi niyo po ma-miss out ang isang opportunity na magbabago ng buhay niyo po talaga, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now, get in to Live Good. Be one of us. Join force with us. Kung ilang taon na po tayo nagtatrabaho as employee or as employment natin, there's nothing wrong with it. But then, of course, guys, look, i-evaluate natin ano ba ang nangyayari. Nakukuha ba talaga natin ang mga pangarap natin. And Again, pwede nyo po itong isabay kahit po nag-work po kayo, like what we are doing. So, we just started here as part-timer and we do full-time because alam mo yung kikitain mo sa 10 taon, kitain kay Livegood ng 1, 2 buwan lang. Alright, yeah, that's true. You heard it right. So, para mapatunayan nyo po na totoo po yung sinasabi po natin and mayroon talagang magandang opportunities to live good, be one of us, join force with us, and spread the love, the positivity, the light in hope. Be the light and a hope to each and everyone, and of course mas masarap na mag-transform ng buhay ng ibang tao, makatulong sa ating kapwa. So once again, this is Jericho Erinco, also known as si Daddy Chick TV and Daddy ng Bayan. Balik lang po kayo ng balik dito sa channel na marami po kayong matututunan on how to build your empire here in Live Good. Bye everyone and God bless. All right.